Okay, today we're going to talk about blend modes in Photoshop. So what we're going to do is we're going to download these two photos first. Okay, so go ahead and click on your photo, click on the three dots, open a new window, and download the fish and download the stars. We're going to combine these two together, and then after that you're going to combine the other two together on your own. Okay, so I'm going to download these two files. I'm going to go ahead and open up my stars first. So I'm going to go to open, find my stars in my download folder, and hit open. Okay, then I'm going to open my fish. So I'm going to go to, or place my fish, sorry, file, place embedded, and find my fish. So what we're going to do today is talk about blend modes. I'm going to stretch this out so it fits perfect. And a blend mode, what that does, it affects the color, the lighting of the image that you're creating a blend mode on. You can use blend modes with anything, with text, with pictures, with drawings, any kind of image or font or text you put into your document. Okay, so there's no limit to what you can use these for. So we're going to go right here where it says normal, and we're going to go through, we're just going to hover, and when we hover, you can see that things are happening to our photo. Okay, so this first one will darken our image, obviously darker, multiply, color, burn, right? So it's darkening the image. This one is lighten, so this is going to use lighten, screen, or brighten it up. Okay, the next one is overlay, soft light, hard light, linear light. This has to do with the lighting. The next one has to do, the next set has to do with colors. Okay, so you're just going to hover and go through each one. So what we're doing, what we're looking for is to get kind of like a double exposure look for this photo. So I feel like lighten is going to be the best option. If you get a lighter color, you can see that parts of his lips are missing. Linear dodge, it's kind of too light, I feel like. I feel like lighten is probably the best option for this one. So we're going to click on lighten. And that's it. Like, that's all I want you to do. So this is going to give you like a double exposure kind of a look. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to export this file. Go to File, Export, Export As. Make sure it's a JPEG and hit Export. Put it in your Google Drive, in My Drive, in your graphics project folder. You're going to name this Fish and Stars, I guess. I don't know. And go ahead and save it. And you're going to turn it into Google Classroom. I don't need the Photoshop file of this one, okay? So you don't, when you get the pop-up, hit don't save, and you're going to turn that into this assignment. And then you're going to do these two photos first. So the first one you're going to open is the picture of the girl, okay? So open that one first and then place the picture of the ocean on top of her. All right, when you're done, you're going to turn both of those files into Google Classroom.